iTax back with an update on new quizzes for fall 25 and moving forward. The new update is that new quizzes is now turned on by default in everyone's Canvas. Let's take a look. Now, when you go to create a Canvas course, you will automatically have new quizzes enabled for you. Previously, you had to enable it through settings, but now it's already on. Now, when you navigate to quizzes and click New Quiz, you're given a choice between new quizzes and classic quizzes. You can continue to use classic quizzes as long as it's still available, but if you're ready to switch into new quizzes, take a look at the rest of this video and then also find some of the other resources that we have available on new quizzes. You also have an option to remember your choice for this course if you would prefer only to see classic or only to see new quizzes when you click Plus Quiz. One of the main differences you'll notice right away is that the beginning page of new quizzes looks very much like any other assignment. So you'll enter a title in the assignment name, then you'll tell Canvas how many points this quiz should be worth. This is a change from the way that classic quizzes worked. The rest of your options on the assignment page are the same. You can add it to an assignment group, you can display your grade as. It does show up as an external tool under submission type because the new quizzes engine is still technically an external tool, though it is created and run by Instructure. When you're ready to start building your quiz, scroll to the bottom and click Build. A few things to note about new quizzes. Adding a question starts right here under this little plus. The left side has a navigator now where you can rearrange your questions once you have some added, and also add instructions and change the title from inside here. Your settings are now up here at the top, and you definitely want to take a look at those before you publish any of your quizzes. Moderate is where you will add accommodations and moderations, which are different. Reports will allow you to view reports of the completion statistics and outcome statistics of your quizzes, and exports will allow you to export your quiz into a QTI format to take it into another Canvas. When it is time to grade an existing quiz, you will go into SpeedGrader just as you would any other assignment. And it will allow you to click on a question that needs review. These are your essay questions or file upload questions, anything that cannot be auto-graded. And you can click the question and jump to it to do your grading. You can automatically give all points with a check or automatically give no points with an X. And all the way at the bottom, just as in the past, you'll have your fudge points and you'll be able to update. Once you click update, you'll notice that this grade changes in the right panel and you are done grading. You'll also notice on the left side of the page that you still have the question navigator just as you did while you were building your quiz. The last update that I want to draw your attention to is that you are now able to copy in question banks along with quizzes when you are moving from one course to another. So as you import your course content, you will now see an option to convert content to new quizzes, which will also bring in your item banks. This is an exciting new change and makes it much easier for those folks who are extensively using question banks in classic quizzes to migrate into new quizzes and item banks in the new system. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to contact ITAC. Until next time, may your Wi-Fi be strong and your passwords even stronger. It's a great day to be a Bobcat, y'all.